Hello student, class 12 physics. Today is our topic mobility. What is mobility? The magnitude of drift velocity of charge carrier in unit electric field is called mobility. Repeating again, the magnitude of drift velocity is the magnitude of charge carrier in unit electric field is called mobility. Mobility is denoted by mu. Mobility is denoted by mu. If let Vd is a drift velocity of magnitude of drift velocity, drift velocity acquired by charge carrier in electric field of magnitude of electric field is electric field of magnitude. Then according to definitions of mobility mu that is equal to Vd upon E. According to definitions of mobility, unit of mobility, now unit of mu that is equal to unit of drift velocity, unit of Vd and unit of E. Then unit of velocity is meter per second and unit of electric field then volt per meter, or we can write meter square volt inverse and second inverse. It is a unit of mobility or mu. SI units in SI systems. And now mobility is always positive, and जो mobility होता है always positive. Mobility is always positive and it's depend on the nature of charge carriers. ये only किस पे depend होता है? Depend on only nature of चार्ज कैरियर्स पे डिपेंड्स करता है नेचर्स पे. नाउ अगेन मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी, वी नो दैट अगेन मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी Vd that is equal to E and capital E upon m into tau, where tau is a relaxation time and E is a charge of electron and capital E is a magnitude of electric field. And now but we know that V dot is equal to Vd upon E, then putting the value of Vd in these equations are multiplied. Vd that is equal to mu E. Vd की value mu E, then putting the value above equations number first, then mu E, then mu E that is equal to E capital E upon m into tau, then E to E cancel out both sides, then we have only mobility mu that is equal to E tau upon m. This is required equations for mobility. Then we can also say that mobility of charge carrier is equal to the product of specific charge and relaxation time. Now, relations between electric current I and mobility mu. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट एंड मोबिलिटीज में रिलेशंस फाइंड करते हैं. देन वी हैव टू टाइप्स रिलेशंस फॉर कंडक्टर एंड सेकेंडली फॉर सेमीकंडक्टर्स. फर्स्ट, कंडक्टर्स. चार्ज कैरियर्स इन मेटेलिक कंडक्टर्स आर फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. इसमें जो चार्ज कैरियर्स होता है कंडक्टर्स में वो क्या होता है? फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होता है. देन मोबिलिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. Mobility of electrons mu e, that is equal to v d is a drift velocity upon e, r cross product, then cross multiply, then v d, that is equal to mu e e. Equation number first. But we know that electric current divided to free electron. But we know that electric current divided to free electrons I, that is equal to n e a v d. हमने प्रीवियस क्लासेस में इसको इस फार्मूलास को हमने जनरेट किए थे. देन putting the value of Vd in equation number from equation number 1. Equation number 1 and 2. Vd की वैल्यू इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में पुट करते हैं. देन एन ई ए म्यू ई ई. This is relations between electric current and mu, mobility. Second, for semiconductor. कंडक्टर्स में ओनली फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं, बट इन सेमीकंडक्टर्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड होल्स आर चार्ज कैरियर्स. इसमें इन सेमीकंडक्टर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड होल्स आर चार्ज carriers. Then mobility of electrons and mobility of holes, then total magnitude, the total current flowing through semiconductors, then either is equal to holes and electrons. दोनों को सम्स करने पर हमें इसके जो इक्वेशंस है या फार्मूला से हमें फाइंड हो जाएगा. देन नाउ मोबिलिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. Mobility of electrons mu e, that is equal to v e upon e, or v e, that is equal to mu e e. Equation number first, where v e is a magnitude of drift velocity. v e is a magnitude of drift velocity of electrons and mobility of holes. Now mobility of holes, then mu h, that is equal to vh upon e, or we can write cross multiply, then vh, that is equal to mu h e, where mu h is a magnitude of drift velocity of holes. Then on applying the external electric field, both electrons and holes drift in opposite directions. जैसे हम क्या करते हैं, इसमें एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इसमें अप्लाई करते हैं, देन होल्स एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ड्रिफ्ट ऑन अपोजिट डायरेक्शंस, एक दूसरे के अपोजिट डायरेक्शंस पे क्या करेगा, ड्रिफ्ट करेगा. देन टोटल when applying external field, both external field, then the total current flowing through semiconductor, the total current flowing through semiconductor either is equal to current of electron and current of hole. Then current of electron NEAVE plus current of hole, then PE, number of holes PEAVH, where N and P are the number of density of free electrons and holes respectively. Then putting the value of VE and VH in above equations, equation number first and second, then from equation number 1 and 2, then either is equal to NEA VE की जो वैल्यूज है वो VE की जो वैल्यूज है वो म्यू E and PEA and म्यू HE. Then EA in both term is a common, then N म्यू E plus P mu H. It is a total current flowing through the semiconductors. It is a relations between the mobility and the electric current.